In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust music on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your TikTok and hit that plus icon to start creating your TikTok video. And first hit on that add sound button to add there some sound. I will volume down volume on my device, and now I can add there some music. Hit on check mark, and now you see that this sound was added to that TikTok video. Now I can record some short video like that, just for example, to show you how it works. And when I finish, I can hit on check mark, and now enable to edit sounds. I need to hit there on sounds icon, and now here I can hit on the scissors icon to edit the sound that I was added, and here I can change the start time of that sound. So if I want for song to start from 10 seconds, I can do the following. Here you see that now song starts from 10 seconds, and now I release my finger and hit done. Also there I can hit on volume to set up volume for that sounds. There are two different sounds, original sound and edit sound. So with that slider I can drag it to the right or to the left to increase or to reduce the volume of the sound. And also there I can change original sound. Now it's not available because there are no original sound at that video. And basically that's it. Now you can hit done and continue editing that video as you normally would. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.